Welcome, environmental science students. This is Mr. Hollins, and I'm giving you some notes here on the ozone and ozone depletion in the atmosphere. Specifically, ozone depletion in the stratosphere. And the learning objectives here on page 230 say to describe the importance of the stratospheric ozone layer. So why is it important? Explain how ozone thinning takes place and some of its harmful effects, and relate how the international community is working to protect the ozone layer. First here we have ozone is O3, that's its chemical formula, is naturally produced. Usually when lightning strikes, that produces ozone. Essential component in the stratosphere. So it is essential in the stratosphere, which is about 30,000 to 35,000 feet up, and this helps to filter out harmful UV radiation. So bullet number 3, ozone shields the Earth from much of the sun's harmful UV radiation. Also, if the ozone was missing, there would be a considerable ecosystem disruption on the planet. So some of the ecosystems we talked about last semester would be disrupted. For example, ocean food webs could be adversely affected and populations of amphibians could decline. Amphibians breathe through their skin, and so they're particularly susceptible to this type of ozone pollution here in the troposphere on the ground level. While ozone benefits the Earth in the stratosphere, at ground level, it is considered a form of harmful air pollution. Global climate change, the greenhouse effect, forest decline, disruption of food supply, and reproductive success of various organisms, and adverse human health issues occur when ozone levels increase at ground levels. So here in the troposphere, close to the ground, ozone it's a bad gas to have around. However, in the stratosphere, high up in the stratosphere, it is a helpful layer that filters ultraviolet radiation. And so there it is a good thing, but on the ground it's not so good thing. You've been assigned question number 5 on page 238, or 239. On page 239, and these are the notes. This is the information that we're asking you to get from the ozone depletion section of this chapter. So read that section, read the summary for the third section on page 238, then answer that question in your journals right under 1, 2, and 3 for number 5 on page 239. And this video has been posted courtesy of Mr. Hollins.